To watch all our videos, click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click all. Now navigate to the settings of your mobile phone. Go to apps and notifications. Notifications. YouTube, and make sure all the options on the right are turned on. Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will learn a bit about grades. Okay. Now, we know that one is called as Ondu in Kannada, two, Eradu, three, Muru, four, Nalku, five, Aidu. Right? So if you do not know this, I have made a video about speaking, reading and writing Kannada numbers. So it is better if you watch that video before you watch this. Okay. Now we'll take only five numbers for this video. Now, to say first, okay, first, we add neya at the end of the number. Okay. Now let us see an example. 1 is called as what? What is it? Ondu, correct? Ondu. Ondu. If you want to say first, then you have to add neya to this Ondu. So Ondu plus neya becomes Ondaneya. But there is one small modification you have to do to this. What is that? You have to replace the last letter with A. Okay. Now you have U here. You have to replace this with A. So Ondu becomes Onda. Okay. So Onda plus Neya becomes Ondaneya. Ondaneya. Okay. Which means first. Second. Two is called as Eradu in Kannada. Eradu. You have to add Neya at the end. Neya. But before adding, you have to replace this U by A. Okay. A. So Eradu will become Erada. Okay. Erada. So Erada plus Neya is Eradaneya, which means second. Okay. Second. Third. Okay. Third. 3 is called as Muru in Kannada. So you have to add a neya at the end to make it third. But before you do that, you have to replace U with A. Okay. So Muru becomes Mura. Muraneya. Muraneya is third. Okay. Third. Fourth. 4 is Nalku. Add neya. Before adding, replace U by A. Nalku becomes Nalka. Nalka neya. Nalka neya. Fifth. 5 is Aidu. Aidu. You have to add neya at the end, but before adding you have to replace U by A. Aidu becomes Aida. Aida neya. Aida neya. Okay. So that is how you do the grades. Okay. You have to add neya at the end of the numbers. Now let us see one example. Okay, one example. First is what? First is Vandaneya. Okay, Vandaneya. Vandaneya is first, but then there is one special case which is this. Okay, which is this. If you want to say first prize, my son got first prize in this competition. That is the example. Okay, if you want to say first prize, then generally we do not say Vandaneya Bahumana. Okay, Bahumana is prize. Okay, prize. We do not say Vandaneya Bahumana. We do not say that. Okay, even if you have seen news or paper, they do not use Vandaneya. Okay, what else do they use? They use Modalaneya. Okay, Modalaneya. Modalaneya means first. Okay, first prize is generally written and read as Modalaneya Bahumana. Okay, if it is first position, then Modalaneya Sthana. Okay, Sthana is position. So we say Modalaneya. That is only for this. That is only for first. For remaining everything we use this. Okay, if you want to say second prize, then it is Yeradaneya Bahumana. Yeradaneya Bahumana. If it is third prize, okay, Muraneya Bahumana. If it is fourth prize, then Nalkaneya Bahumana. Bahumana is prize. Okay, prize. If it is fifth prize or fifth position, let us assume, Aidaneya Sthana. Okay, Sthana. So that is how it is written and read. Okay, only for first prize or first we have two, Vandaneya and Modalaneya. Clear? Okay. And first is also called as Prathama. Second is also called Dvitiya. Third is also called Tritiya. Fourth is also called Chaturtha. Fifth is also called Panchama. Alright, so there are words for 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, but I have not included it because the occurrence or the usage is very less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you will come across it commonly. And prizes also sometimes they use this word. Okay, to say first prize they also use Prathama Bahumana. They also say Prathama Bahumana, which means first prize. For second prize, they say Dvitiya Bahumana. For third prize, they say Tritiya Bahumana, and so on. Okay. Now, let us see few examples. If someone asks you, in which class is your son studying? Okay, in which class is your son studying? Then you can say first standard, 7th standard, second year PUC, right? In English. If you want to say it in Kannada, you can say Vandaneya class instead of first standard. Vandaneya class. Or Yelaneya class, 7th standard. 7 is ಏಳು, 7th is ಏಳನೆಯ class, ಏಳನೆಯ class. Or instead of second year PUC, you can say ಎರಡನೆಯ ವರ್ಷ PUC. Varsha is year. Okay, Varsha is year. PUC. Second is ಎರಡನೆಯ. All right. If someone asks you how many kids do you have, you can say 2 kids. First one is son and second is daughter. Okay, in English you can say that. In Kannada you can say ಎರಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಮೊದಲನೆಯವನು ಹುಡುಗ ಮತ್ತು ಎರಡನೆಯವಳು ಹುಡುಗಿ. All right. Now ಎರಡು means 2, ಎರಡು 2, kids ಮಕ್ಕಳು kids. First one ಮೊದಲನೆಯವನು. Okay, first one ಮೊದಲನೆಯವನು. First is ಮೊದಲನೆ. Yavanu is linking word. Okay, you will come across this later, but that is why I have given it in black color. Yavanu is linking letter. Modalane Yavanu. Huduga is boy. But this Huduga is used when you say it in sentence. Okay, son is maga. Second, Yaradane. Yavalu is linking word. Second is Yaradane. Daughter is Hudugi. Okay. And is Mattu. I've given it in bracket because you can say it or not. It is left to you. You can say ಎರಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಮೊದಲನೆಯವನು ಹುಡುಗ, ಎರಡನೆಯವಳು ಹುಡುಗಿ. You can say it like that also. All right. Next, if someone asks you in which floor is your home, suppose you are living in an apartment and you are living in some floor, okay, and your house is in or home is in some floor, and someone asks you in which floor is your home, okay, you can say first floor or fourth floor in English, but in Kannada you can say modalane mahadi or nalkane mahadi. Okay, modalane means first. You need not say modalaneya. Okay, it is right even if you say it, but you don't have to say it also. Okay, modalane mahadi here in this case is floor. Nalkane fourth or nalkaneya, you can say that also. Nalkane fourth, mahadi floor. All right. Click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.